walking tour. This is our walking tour guide. This is my new friend, Esteban from Egypt. And I love to do walking tours when I get to a new city. It's a good way to see stuff.
1 to 6. El Poblado is strata 6 and 5. And in downtown is strata 3, 2, 1. And I will say that even strata 0 because of the homeless people that lives in downtown. So the population of the whole of the city of Medellin is 2,500,000. But if we take in count the people that lives in the metropolitan area, that number will go up until 4 million people. Let me know.
Esteban, is it Medellin or Medellin? How do you say this again?
It's Medellin.
Okay.
Like Mede and a Jean.
Because this was an argument. People are like, it's Medellin.
No, it's Medellin.
Okay. Thank you. Hola. Dos paseos, por favor.
A good dinner is going to be. I told you, this is the line A that goes from south to north of the city. Then in San Antonio.
First day for sexual harassment. God, this is honestly what it's like to be a woman. We were on the metro and, you know, this guy was being fucking gross. And I just moved over and our tour guide Esteban, I like stood behind him and we were getting off the metro. He was so sweet. He like said to the guy like, "Respecto chica, listo," and all these other shit in Spanish. But that's what I understood, which was really, really sweet. You know, there's good dudes out there looking out for women. Bomb exploded in there.
Artist here in Colombia. He's actually from here, from Medellin, so we are very proud of him. He even has some of his work that is displayed on the Louvre Museum in Paris. So yeah, the guy is like a very big deal, not only here in Colombia, but as well in the world. Absolutely broken. That was the first one. When this sculpture was being inaugurated here in this park, a bomb exploded inside of the sculpture, and 28 people were killed because of that attack, and around 200 people were injured. One of the saddest stuff about that story is that until today, the local police is not charging anyone. There is not, until today, any responsible of that terrorist attack.
So, I feel like this is very disproportioned here. This is very large. This is very small. It's grande, pequeño. Grande, pequeño.
Relacionado precisamente con Pablo Escobar, con las mismas estructuras paramilitares, eso mismo haya hecho que no haya nadie en la calle. Working here, a library that is specialized in children's literature. This avenue that we just walked is called the Beach Avenue. You may wonder why is it called the beach if we don't have a sea. But that's because right now underneath this avenue there is a creek going on. So in the past when the people used to come and walk. Who is this angel?
No, up there, there's like a sanctuary for Mexico. And
Let's go this way. Hey, hola, hola. She's my friend from Los Angeles. And all my new friends here.
what is this building here?
Okay, I will tell you because it's filled with boteros. Fernando Botero thought that lots of people here in Medellin weren't able to go to the museum, so we wanted them to access properly to art. This building that you get to see here is called the Palace of Culture. It belongs to the local government, so it's where all the art and culture are being taken.
Body yada 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 yada.
So, yeah.
Twerk. Again. Grande. Pequeña. They're funny. My favorite. It's got boobs and chubby legs. I'm on my way to take myself to dinner. As I always do when I travel, I use my Happy Cow app to find a vegan-friendly restaurant. So I'm walking. I had a great time today on the walking tour, learned a lot, saw a lot. Had some really nice talks with the tour guide, Esteban. Really cool person. I feel like we just aligned in a lot of our viewpoints, and I just really value a good conversation.
Let me know.
Esteban, is it Medellin or Medellin? How do you say this again?
It's Medellin.
Okay.
Like Mede and a Jean.
Oh my god. What are these hot, shirtless Colombian men doing? What are they doing? Oh my god. I have to get a closer look. I think one of them sees me. Yes!
Bailar! Bailar! Ahí está!
This. Oh, I found it and it was closed despite them saying that they should have been open. I feel like this is something that's really common of eating restaurants in foreign countries. Even though their hours say they're open, a lot of times I get there and they're not, which sucks. I haven't eaten all day today. I had some almonds, some power bars. At the Éxito, which is like the Colombian Walmart. I need to get some groceries because getting food here is proving to be a little bit difficult. It's the Colombian Walmart. Having a very LA moment with all of these fucking rolled oats. Okay, in LA, you buy rolled oats and they all like don't have gluten. I'm gluten free. Every single one of these fucking rolled oats here has gluten. Ah! Okay, my trip at the Éxito has been unsuccessful. I'm leaving because the store is huge. I'm tired. Here on my vacation, I don't want to be doing a lot of actual cooking. That's why I like the rolled oats, the overnight oats, because you just like throw it all in a jar and put it in the fridge. But I did see that there is like a health food market that's near my hostel. Obviously, a lot of health food places are open like in the morning, afternoon. So I'll just go there tomorrow morning. I'm freaking exhausted and I don't want to deal with this right now. Fuck it. Tonight, my hostel is having a bar hop that they've organized, and it's red light, green light, yellow light. So red light is I have no intentions. Yellow light is you're looking to meet people, and green is I'm single. Just me. Let's just fix this one. There. Much better. Okay. Wait. Where should I put this one? There we go. Am I clear? I just went upstairs to join the party, and if you can hear it, there's reggaeton, so this massive purse is not gonna fly. I'm dancing tonight. I went against my better judgment and I booked the bar crawl tour with the fucking stickers. It's bad. So bad. So my new Colombian friends and I all came out together and we went to some other clubs. Disculpe. It's poquito borracha. And it was más buena. Much, much better.